Man, am I hungry. I sure could use me a big old plate of taters and sour cream. But how do you cook such a dish? Okay, we'll ponder no more, folks, because today I'm going to give you my recipe for crispy taters with sweet chili and sour cream. Alright, so what I've done, 3 potatoes already peeled, and now we're going to get them ready to go in the microwave. So, cue the cutting montage. Okay, now we'll pop them in to the microwave bowl, break them up a bit. I've already got the water in there. And now, I just pop in a bit of salt. And pop them in the microwave. I cut those at about half a centimetre, 5mm thick. And now we chuck them in the microwave for 10 minutes. Alrighty, and now with the magic of television, they're going to be ready. And they're ready. Okay, here we go. Alright, so my taters are cooked. What I do, just to make sure they're at the right stage, is I'll pull one out, they're pretty hot, and do the finger test. If it breaks off like that, they're nice and soft, and they are good to go. Okay, so I don't know why, but the camera lady's laughing at me at the moment, but that's okay. Alrighty, so next thing is we drain the water out, and we start heating up the fat. Now, if you're a bit squirmish about using oil instead of butter for cooking, well, look away now, because you have to do it. Alright, because if you use butter, it's just going to burn. Alright, so in with a bit of oil, about that much, and I've got the pan on, so that's heating up. And now, I'm going to go over to the sink and drain these bad boys. Whoa! Alright, okay, so draining out the taters. Now you don't want to leave water on the spuds, because when they hit the fat, they're going to go and make a big old crazy mess. So what I do is I just chuck my spuds straight on a clean tea towel, like so. Spread them out a little bit, like so, and just pat them dry. Alright, I'll get back to you when this fat is hot. Alrighty guys, fat's nice and hot. Now, in with the taters. Now be really careful guys, because this can get a bit nasty. You catch a splash. There we are. Now just check this out. Look at how the spuds are starting to break up a little bit. That's what you want. If the spuds break while you're stirring them around, that is A-OK. Because the more edges you get, the more crispy edges you get, the better. That's a win. Alright, so you just let that sit. I'll get myself an egg flip. Got myself an egg flip. Now, we'll just leave that for a couple of minutes, and I'll get back to you when it's a bit further along. Alrighty, while your spuds are cooking, I forgot to tell you just before, you start stirring them around. Yes, check that out. It's only been about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and we're already starting to get crispy edges. Now, early in the piece, get into it with some salt. For me personally, I'm going to go with a bit of paprika. Give them a nice bit of taste. Now, like I said before, you can put in onion flakes, chili flakes, anything you want really. And roll them around. Yes, they're breaking up, but that does not matter. That just adds more crispy little delicious chunky bits. Now while this is cooking, I just thought I'd let you know, you can cook up a big mob of these and hit them with sweet chili. Camera girl's laughing again. Hit them with some sweet chili and some sour cream, and you can eat that as a main meal, or you can cook them up, have them as a side dish. Another trick I did the other day is I cooked up a heap of these, big pile on a plate, and then I cooked 3 eggs and over easy so the inside's nice and runny, add the yolk. Then you plonk them on top, and when you start eating them, the yolk dribbles down through the crispy chips, and oh my goodness, they were so good. Alright. Rightio guys, it's been about, I don't know, 5 minutes, and if you look at these guys, look at those beautiful crunchy crispy edges. Woo-wee. These guys are ready to plate up. Okay, so we'll chuck them on a plate, like so. Oh man, my mouth is watering. Woo-wee. Check out all those little crummy bits. Oh, that is yum city. Right, so we've done that. Now it's time to dress the dish. So I'll grab my sweet chili and my sour cream. Sweet chili, sour cream, plonk them there, get a bit fancy. So starting there, get it flowing. Come on, sweet chili. And then across like this. Ooh-wee! How good is this? So you got your sweet chili, then get yourself a few little blodges of sour cream. Don't be fancy, just plonk them on, like so. And they'll start melting in. They'll start melting in, and it'll just make all the flavours go in together. Now how's that, eh? Woo-wee! That is going to be so good. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed the video, please do us a favour. Like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. And I can't stand around and look at this any longer. I'm going to go and have a feed. Alright, see you later. Man, I sure am hungry.